Can you tell me how do I log into a particular website, Ravi? I want to log into a website. How can I do that?
My particular login website, I should go to my URL, my domain
/wp hyphen
wp.admin
admin.
admin.
Then just enter your credentials.
ID and password.
Correct. Then what are the 4 steps to create any WordPress website?
4 step to create a website is one is we have to create the pages
Perfect.
and about our services home,
Okay. Any page, it can be anything.
anything.
Yeah. After pages, what is the next step? When pages are arranged in a particular order, it is known as menu. So you need to arrange the pages in menu. Then you need to apply a theme for your website. After applying a theme, then you need to customize your website according to your preferences. Until here, we have learned. Then what is a widget? Widget is nothing but a pre-installed options or something which is there by default in your website or in your mobile phone. Such things are known as widgets. So what we have done, we have removed those widgets and we have added these widgets over here. Then this is what we have explored. Then we have also explored block symbol, that is BLOCK, where we learned how to add the content to our website, and we have explored many blogs on day before yesterday's class. So in today's class, we will learn about plugins. Plugins is an extremely important topic. So it is useful even for the advanced website. It is not only related to the basic, but it is also related to the advanced website. So plugins are nothing but softwares actually, where we will be plugging in into our website. Now, if you see in this website, we have not created contact us form. In most of the websites, contact us form will be there, right? If it is a service-oriented website, then contact us forms are mandatory. If it is e-commerce, then contact us is not that required. If it is blogging website, contact us form is not required because just for writing blogs, nobody will contact you. But you are providing any service, you are a choreographer, you are a yoga trainer, you are a digital marketing trainer, then you are providing a service. So whenever you are creating a service-oriented website, make sure you create a contact us form. It is mandatory. Now, how to create a contact us form in your website? Out of all the plugins which we will be learning today, the most important plugin is contact us form plugin. To create any plugin, you need to go into this plugin option and click on add new. Same thing how we have done for pages.
For pages, same.
Yeah, same. Pages add new, themes add new, plugins also add new. So add new is a button which we use widely. The moment you click on add new, here you can see there is an option called search plugin. And here you can search for a plugin called contact form by Subsystic. Now, what is a Subsystic? Subsystic is a company which provides contact us form, Not only Subsystic, there are n number of companies which provide us contact us form. But here Subsystic provides most of the options of Subsystic are free plugins. That is the reason I'm going with Subsystic, but it's up to you. You can use any other company's contact us form also. But they have very good plugins. That is the reason I'm going with Subsystic. And it is very easy to create if you go for Subsystic plugins rather than any other company's plugin. Now I have searched for a contact form by Subsystic plugin over here. Make sure you don't do any spelling mistakes while searching, Ravi. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult for you to find the plugin. It will not appear to you. So without any spelling mistakes, search for the plugin.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Now, once you search for this plugin, same thing, how you install a theme and activate a theme, the same process over here. First, install this plugin. Then you need to activate the plugin. Installation and then activation. Then once you have installed and activated the plugin appears to you in the dashboard. So what we have done until now, we have gone to the plugins and then add new. The moment you click on add new, search bar appears to you. You have to type the plugin name correctly, then install now and then activate. This is what we have done. The moment you have activated, plugin appears to you in the dashboard. Until this, is it clear, Ravi?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. Now, I want to create a contact form where users can enter their name, their email address, and what exactly they are looking for. So I want to create such form. So to create,
I'm sorry, in sidebar contact form is there, no?
it's not there as of now. We have not created contact us form as of now, right? I'm going to create it now.
Okay, no, no, now you showed, no, it is appearing here.
We have not yet created contact form, Ravi.
Okay, okay.
We have not yet created contact. This is the first time we are going to create contact.
So here only in the same page, contact form by it is there, no? Same.
Where here?
Not here. Go back.
Okay.
This here sidebar. It is appearing, no?
This one?
Yeah, this one.
The moment I have installed and activated, it appeared. Before it was not appearing.
Before it was not there, no? Okay.
Yeah, before it was not there. The moment I
After
install, yeah, correct.
after installation and activation, it will appear.
Exactly, correct. Exactly.
Okay.
If you don't install, it is not going to appear. If you don't even activate, it is not going to appear. You install and activate, then only it will appear.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you have installed this form. You have installed this plugin. Then the plugin is appearing to you in the dashboard. And I want to create a new form. So just click on add new form over here. Otherwise, click on contact form by subsystem. The same options appears to you. It's up to you. However you would like to click on it, you can just click on it. See, same options. Overview, add new form, show all forms, contact setting. The same options which are appearing over here, the same things are appearing over here. Done. So the moment your contact form by subsystem plugin is appearing to you over here, you need to create a new form. As of now, just observe over here, okay? We do not have any forms in this website. Obviously, we did not create any contact form, so how can you see a form over here? There is no form in our website. So to create a new contact form, you need to click on add new form. Over here or here, anywhere you can click. Just click on add new form to create your contact form. The moment you click on add new form, there are n number of templates which are provided by subsystem. So many templates are provided by subsystem. Any of the template you can choose according to your website, according to your understanding, your preferences, whichever template you like, just go with that particular template. Now let's assume you like this template. Just select this particular template. This is how your contact form will appear. If you are going with this template, then select this template, and this is how your contact form is going to appear. Whichever template you like, just select that particular template. Then you have to give your form name. Form name is nothing but same like our menu name. We give some random name for our menu. In the same manner, you have to give a form name. For this particular form, you're giving some random name. It can be anything. Then once you have selected your template, give some name and click on save button. After each and every step, do not forget to click on publish, update or save button. So just click on save button over here. First step is done. The moment you have selected your template, your interface changes like this. Your interface is going to be changed like this. Now here you need to design your contact form. Here you can see directly we are going into the design section. Design section is nothing but just changing the color of the text, giving some background color, increasing the width of the contact form. These things will be there in the design section. So anybody can do the designing part. It is not at all complicated. You can give some form background. This is my contact form. If you want to give some background, then you can just select the color, whichever color you would like to go with. You can just select that particular color. You don't want any color, then just keep it as white. It's up to you, whichever color you would like to go with, just go with that particular color. You want to give some buttons background. See, for this text, you want to give some background color. I mean, first name, last name, and everything. You want to then give it some color. For submit button, that is for send button and all, you want to give some color, you can give some color. So designing part is nothing but just giving colors for the background, giving colors for the text, changing the width of the contact form. These things will be there in the designing part. So it is very easy. Designing part is very easy. Anybody can do the designing part. Once your designing part is done, if you have made any changes, please click on save button, then only it will be saved. Otherwise, it will not be saved. Done. Designing part is very easy. But if you observe in this particular contact form, subject is there, message is there. Both are same only, right? If you keep one, that is enough. Like anybody wants to inquire about anything, they can type something in this subject field. Again, you need not give them message field also. So it is unnecessary step over here. And if you observe, phone number is also not asked in this default contact form. Contact form is important because we ask their email ID and phone number. That is how I can contact them later. So in this contact form, phone number is also not available, and reset button is also there. Reset button is not required, right? Why do you want to show reset button to your audience? So here we need to customize our contact form. Every form by default, everything will not be proper. You have to customize it according to your understanding. What exactly you want to keep it in your contact form. According to that, you need to customize. So once the designing part is done, go to the fields section over here. Go to the fields section. What exactly is a field? Field is nothing but the first name. This particular block is a field. Again, last name is a field. Email is a field. So individually, these things are known as fields. So in case you want to customize your field, I want to delete this field, right? And I want to add a field called phone number. So in case you want to customize your fields, you need to click on field symbol over here. Just go to the fields option over here. Then you can see this is how it is going to appear. Now, I want to delete this reset button. I don't want to show the reset button to my audience. So just put the cursor on reset button and then delete it. That's it. Reset button will disappear. And I don't even want to show the message and text. See, both are approximately both are same. Either keep subject or keep message. It's up to you. So I'm deleting this message part over here because both are same. I don't want to show unnecessary steps to my audience. Now, if you observe, I'm asking first name, last name, email, subject, send. But phone number is missing in my contact form, right? It is the most important thing which needs to be asked whenever you're creating a contact form. So how can I add phone number to my contact form? As I already said, every option is known as a field. Now, whenever you want to add new option in your form, you need to click on add new field over here because I want to create a new form. That is, sorry, I want to create a new field which is known as phone number. So just click on add new field over here. There are few pro options for which we need to purchase the plugin, but it is not required. Just go to the number option over here, which is for free. Just go to the number option. Then here, you need to give some random name. For your particular field, you have to give some random name. It can be anything. Whereas in this section of placeholder, wherever you are seeing the placeholder, you have to give the proper name. Placeholder in the sense, the name of the field is known as placeholder. Here you can see subject. Here it is message, email. Here it is post name, send button. So whatever you want to be shown in your contact form, that name you have to write in the place of placeholder. It can be mobile number, it can be phone number, whichever you feel like, just add that particular name over here. Then once it is done, click on OK button. Now you can see phone number is also added in my contact form. So first name, last name, email, subject, phone number, and send button. Now it is a proper contact form. This is how you need to create any contact form. Even if you're going with another templates, the same process. In other templates, I think phone number is also provided by default. If it is not provided by default, again, you have to go with the same steps. Just click on add new field and add the phone number. You want to add subject, then just click on add new field and add the subject. You want to delete something, just put the cursor over there and click on delete button and it will be deleted. So that is how you need to add the fields and then delete the fields. So once your form is created, you need to click on save button. That's it. This is how you need to create a contact form. And you can just look at the preview over here below. This is how your contact form is going to appear to your audience. Now my question is, Ravi, we have created contact form. We have saved the contact form. Will my contact form directly appear in my website? If it appears, where it is going to appear?
Contact form will appear in the contact us in the drop down. It is not available.
Okay. Just because we are naming a page called Contact Us, that does not mean my contact form will appear in Contact Us page. It is just
in services there is a drop down, but in contact us there is no drop down.
Just listen over here. Just because you are naming a page Contact Us, it does not mean your contact form will directly appear in this page. No, it is not going to happen like that. Now let's assume I want to show my Contact Us form in the home page, or I want to show my contact form in the sidebar. Then how? Just because we have named our page Contact Us, you are telling it will appear in the Contact Us page. But you might have seen in so many websites, Contact Us form will appear in the sidebar also. It will appear in the home page also. And how come it is appearing in the home page or sidebar or any other page for that matter? Never ever think just because your page name is Contact Us, it will appear directly in the Contact Us page. No. Here, you have created your Contact Us form. After creating the Contact Us form, the most important thing is you have to copy the short code from here. Short code. Short code is nothing but the code of this Contact Us form you have to copy. The moment you're creating a form, you will be able to see the code over here, which is known as short code. You have to copy this short code and paste it wherever you want to show the Contact Us form. Now let's assume you want to show the Contact Us form in the Contact Us page of your website. Then go to the pages and paste this code over there. If you want to show this contact form in the home page of your website, then go to the home page and paste the code over there. So wherever you want to show your contact form, you have to go to that particular page or that particular widget and paste the contact form short code over there. Then only your contact form will be appearing to your audience. Otherwise, it is not going to appear to your audience. So creating the form is important, but more than creating the form, pasting the short code is also very important. If you don't paste the short code, no matter how beautiful form you're creating, it will not be visible to your audience. So now I want to show my contact form in the Contact Us page of our website. So I'm going to the Contact Us page, then obviously click on block symbol and search for a block called short code. You need to search for a block called short code. Then you have to paste the short code over here. That's it. Once you have pasted, click on update button and the contact form will be appearing to your audience. Just go to the contact form and your contact form will be appearing to your audience. If you do not paste the short code, it will not appear. Is it clear, Ravi, why you need to paste the short code?
Yes, clear.
If you don't paste it, most of the students forget this part. If you don't paste it, no matter how beautiful you're creating, it's of no use. So this is how you need to create a contact form and make sure it appears in the pages wherever you would like to show. Now let's assume you want to show the contact form in the home page. Then what will you do, Ravi? Or home page in the About Us page or anywhere?
Go to the home page.
Yeah, perfect. Go to the home page, click on block button, then search for a short code over there and paste the short code and it will be appearing over there. Same thing for widgets also. Now, in case you want to show the contact form in the sidebar, then same thing, whatever we have done in the day before yesterday's class, you have to follow the same step. Go to the appearance, go to the widgets, then click on plus symbol, search for short code and paste the short code over there and your contact us form will be appearing to your audience. Just click on plus symbol, short code, paste the short code, click on update button. You can also show the short code in the footer also. Just click on refresh on the new tab and you can see the smallest version of our contact form is appearing to our audience. Is it clear?
Clear.
Anywhere you can show the contact us form. Just paste the code. Wherever you want to show the contact form, paste the code over there and it will appear to your audience. Done. Now we have created the contact form. Now let's assume I am the user of this website and I want to inquire about something. So like a random user, I have visited this website. So what I'm doing over here, I'm filling the contact form over here and I'm asking the details of digital marketing course. So like a normal audience, I have filled the form and I'm clicking on send button over here. Done.
Done.
Thank you for contact us is available. Now where will I see the details of the person who has filled the form? I'm the person who has filled the form. As a business owner or as a website owner, I should know their information, right? Then only I can contact them further through the email ID or through phone number. Where can I see their details? In case you want to see the details of the person who has filled the contact form, then just click on contacts option over here. Contact form by subsystem and then contacts. Whoever has filled the form, their details you will be able to see it over here. Just click on their email ID, then their information you can see. Their first name, their last name, their email, the subject, what exactly they are inquiring about, their phone number and everything. The details, whichever they are asking, you will be able to see it over here. and you can contact them further. This is how the contact form works. Is it clear, Ravi? How
Very
does it
clear. Yes.
Now, before going to another plugin, because this is the most important plugin out of all, we'll just revise once and then we'll move on to another plugin. So for any plugin, you have to go to plugins, click on add new, then search for a plugin. Here we have used contact form by Subsystem. The moment you have installed and activated the plugin, it directly appears to you in the dashboard. Once a plugin has appeared in the dashboard, you have to click on add new form. If you click on show all forms, see, before it was clearly written there are no forms because we have not yet created any contact form. But now what we have done, we have created a contact form. And you can see there is one contact form over here. So you can see the name of our contact form and everything. In case you want to create any new form, just click on add new form. The moment you click on add new form, select any template for your contact form, then give some name over here. Any random template you can select, then give some name. Once you have selected your contact form template, click on save button. And this is the designing part. You can spend a little bit time on designing, but it is very simple. Nothing fancy about designing part, just changing colors and everything. If you're okay with the designing section, go to the fields section. According to your understanding, just customize the fields option. In case you want to delete anything, add anything and everything. Then click on save button. Done. The moment you click on save button, it's not over. Still something is there. What is there to be done? You have to
copy that field.
Yes, you have to copy the short code. Just copy the short code and paste it wherever you want to show it to your audience. And if someone has filled the form, you can clearly see their details in the contacts. This is how the contact form works. Done, Ravi? Is it clear?
Yes, very clear.
Done. Now we will move on to another plugin, which is known as Chatbot. Chatbot. What exactly is Chatbot? Now every day we use Zoom over here. So you can see for Zoom also there is some Chatbot over here. This is their website and over here they are showing me something. And if I click over here, they will ask me a number of things. What am I looking for? Like join a meeting, upgrade my account, purchase a Zoom product. So what exactly want they are asking? Or if I want, like, if I want to, if I select something, then another question appears. Then again something else appears. So they're asking me to click over here. So it is complete processes. Like, how is it? It is not a live process, right? Is it live? It's not that some human being is chatting with me. Do you think a human being is chatting with me or a machine is showing me these questions? What do you think?
This is automated.
Yes, this is automated. Here a normal human being is not chatting with you. Yes, there is an option called where live chat, where a normal human being live, he will chat with you. That is different. That is live chat. But over here we are talking about chatbot. Chatbot is different from live chat. Here, human being is not going to chat with you. Everything will be automated. It is like robots. We feed everything to robots, and according to that, robots work. Same thing over here. All these questions, all these options, we will create prior itself. And then according to the sequence in which we create those, in that sequence, it will be appearing to my audience. And the moment they select something, then only the another question appears. So everything is automated over here. We need to create in such a pattern. Then in that pattern only it will be appearing to your audience. Then you can get the information what exactly, same like how our contact form works. We can get the information what exactly they're looking for, everything, their first name, last name, and everything, right? In the same way, you can also see what exactly your audience is choosing and all. You can also ask their email, you can also ask their phone number, same like your contact form, whatever questions you would like to ask, whatever options you want to create, everything. It is like a script. You need to create the script and then upload the script. So that is how a chatbot works. Now, how to create a chatbot for your website? To create any chatbot, go to the plugins. Everything is a plugin. Go to the plugins and search for a plugin called Collect.chat is a company name. I'm directly searching with company name. So you can see chatbot for WordPress. Here I'm not using Subsystem. I'm using Collect.chat plugin. So chatbot for WordPress, install this plugin and then activate this plugin. Both you need to do for every plugin. Installation is done and then we need to activate the plugin. Then the moment you have installed and activated the plugin, you can see collect.chat is appearing in the dashboard. Done.
Done.
Done. Now you can see 3 easy steps to get started. If you are not an existing collect.chat user, you need to click on create a free account. Create a free account in the sense it's not any difficult stuff. You have to just give your email address and give some random password over there. Then your account will be created. Nothing difficult. But I think I'm already logged in, so maybe it will take me directly. But when you're doing it for the first time, just click on create a free account. He will ask you your password or and email address. Otherwise, you can directly log in with Google also. Anything whichever it is easy for you, just click on that particular option. Then you have to click on create a free account. The moment you click on create a free account, you need to enter the credentials. After entering the credentials, it is going to appear like this. After you log into collect.chat, it is going to appear like this. Obviously, I have created so many times. That is the reason you're able to see this over here. But for you, only one thing will appear because you're going to create it for the first time. And so what I have done, I have clicked on create a free account. In case you're doing it for the first time, enter the credentials, just create your account. Then automatically, the moment you have created the account, you will land into this particular page. Now you want to create a new board, right? So you need to click on new board. Don't think what exactly are these things. These are the boards which I have created previously. So those things you are able to see it over here. Maximum 10 you can see. So those things you are able to see it over here. Even when you are creating a number of times, you can see your boards also. So done. Now you need to click on new board over here. Whenever you're going to create for the first time, click on new board. Now click on from scratch because you want to design it from scratch according to your understanding. Then click on create button. That's it. Now here, 3 options will be there. Design section, script section, and share section. These 3 things are important. Design section in the sense it is same like your contact form where you are designing the form. Here you can select the position. See where you want. You want at the bottom right, you can select bottom right. By default, it will be bottom right. You want at the center, then you can select center. You wanted the, what is this called? Bottom left, then you can select bottom left. But I think bottom right will suit. So I'm going with the bottom right option. Then avatar, which avatar you want to choose? Any avatar you can go. There are a number of avatars which are available over here. Whichever avatar you want to choose for your website, you can go with that particular avatar. No, you want the basic this one, then you can go with this one also. It's up to you. Then for this, which color you want? You want any blue color? You want green color? See, for Zoom, it was some blue color, right? So you can go with any of the colors, whichever you like. So choose any avatar, select the position, give the color. So designing part, it's very simple, nothing fancy in the designing part. Anybody can do the designing part. The most important section is the field section or the script section. As I told you, we are going to create a script over here. Done. So once it is done, go to the script part over here.
But we have to publish, no? After designing and all. Later also can be done.
Yeah, later also. So just go to the script section over here.
Okay.
Now here, 2 questions or you can say it as script. 2 things are there by default. In case you want to delete them, you can just click on the delete button. I have not created these things, but they are provided by default. Now directly you cannot ask what are you looking for it. In case you want to welcome them to your website or you want to tell them hello or something, then you can just select the message option over here. Message. So I'm going with the message option. And here by default, hello is available. In case you want to edit it, just click on edit button and you can edit this. So hello, I want to show some emoji over here like smiling face or something. So you can even choose any of these options over here. Okay, I'm going with this. So hello, this is the first thing which I want to show to my audience. Then click on done. Then after hello, I want to ask their, let's assume I want to ask what exactly they are looking for. So here by default, the question is already created. In case it is not created, then you have to choose a multiple choice option. Why am I telling you to choose multiple choice option? This might be a little bit confusing, Ravi, just concentrate. Whenever you're creating the chatbot, always go with a multiple choice kind of questions. Why? Even if you observe here also they're asking multiple choice. They're asking me to select anything from here, right? Why? Because if it is live chat, a normal human being will chat with you, and whatever you are asking, that guy is going to reply according to your query. That means a human being has the ability to think and reply to whatever you are asking. But whereas machine does not have the ability to think and reply to whatever you are asking, right? So that is the reason, do not ask anything random thing. Now, I mean, let's assume we are creating a question like, what are you looking for? And we are not giving them options to select. We are not giving them options to select. Then that guy will type anything, right? He can type anything which is not even relevant to our business. He can type anything. Then do you think machine will understand that answer? No, it will not understand that answer. That is the reason, do not allow your audience to type something random which your machine will not understand. Whenever you're creating a chatbot, create in such a way that your user will select the answers which you have already given to them, so that your machine will understand that. Is it clear, Ravi? Don't, yeah. So now over here, what are you looking for? This question is already available. I'm going to edit this. I don't want to show this over here. We're done. This is our question. Then you can see options are available over here. You want to create 4 options, then you can create 4. You want to create 2 options, then you can create 2. N number of options like this. N number of options you can create. So over here, I want to create 2 options. What are you looking for is the question. I'm creating 2 options like job or internship. This is what I'm going to ask to my audience. So in case they are looking for job, they'll select job. In case they are looking for internship, then they'll select internship. Done.
Done.
Now there is one more question. Now let's assume I want to ask something like, are you a student or are you a working professional? I can even ask such question, right? Now this question was by default available to us. So it was easy. I have just changed the options over there. Now let's assume you want to create a multiple choice question from scratch. Then what will you do? You have to go with the multiple choice option over here. Now you have to create the question, you have to create the options also, both the things you need to do. So give some question over here. I want to ask them, are you a, this is my question. And in the options, I'm asking them, are you a working professional or are you a student? This is what I'm asking. So like that, you can create n number of options. How many options you would like to create, just create it. Now let's assume you want to ask their email address. Then just click on email address. By default, the question is created. You want to ask their phone number, then you can also ask their phone number. So like that, n number of things you can ask with the help of chatbot. So whatever you would like to ask, just ask them. Now, if you observe, this is not the right order, right? The sequence is not proper. Am I right? Because directly, what are you looking for? Then here in the third, hello is appearing. This is not the right sequence of our script. So in case you want to arrange them in a particular order, just drag and drop. So I want to show hello first. Then I want to show, what should I ask next? I want to ask what is your email address? Okay, no, one second. Next, I would like to ask them, are you a student or a working professional? Then I will ask them, what are you looking for? Then I will ask them their email address. Yeah. Then I will ask them their phone number. Then at the end, I will tell them, thank you for filling the form. All right. This is how you need to create a chatbot. I have added few questions. You can add a number of questions. Now, once your questions are done, you need to click on publish button. In the same sequence, your chatbot will be appearing to your audience. Now, just because we have clicked on publish button and just because we have created our script, don't think your chatbot will appear directly. No, your chatbot will not appear directly. If you remember, for our contact form, we have copied the shortcode and pasted it wherever we want to show the contact form. Same like that, for your chatbot also, there will be a code. But this is not shortcode, this is a lengthy code. Where can you see the code? Just click on share button over here and you can see the code over here. Unless and until you take this code and paste it, it is not going to appear to your audience. The chatbot is not going to appear to your audience. So do not forget to paste the code. No matter how beautiful plugins you're creating, if you forget this, then there is no point of creating the plugin. So copy the code from here and where you need to paste it, go to the new previous tab and here you need to paste the code. Just go to the previous tab and here you need to paste the code in the chatbot snippet option. Just paste the code over here. And where do you want to show the chatbot? Everywhere. That means in all the pages of the website. Only on home page you want to show, or nowhere you want to show. Nobody will select nowhere, but in case you want to select, you can select it. Otherwise, you want to show everywhere except home page. So where you want to show? I want to show in the every page of my website, so I'm selecting it as everywhere. Then click on save button. So these are the 3 steps which you need to follow whenever you're creating a chatbot. First, install and activate, that is basic. After that, create your this thing, collect.chat account you need to create. That means just give your user ID, just give your email address and give some random password and your account will be created. And you will land over here in the designing part. Just click on new bot and you will land to the designing part. Anybody can do the designing section, not at all difficult. Directly go to the script part, create your script, arrange them in a right order. Don't keep it as it is, you have to arrange them in a right order. Then go to the save section. Very important step, copy the code and go back to the old tab and paste the code over here and click on save button. Now your chatbot will be appearing to your audience. If you look at the bottom, your chatbot is appearing to your audience. Is it clear, Ravi? Chatbot done. Now let's see, as a user, let's assume I'm visiting this website. So I'm clicking on chatbot over here. Then first hello appears. Then they're asking me, are you a working professional or a student? See, unless and until I select something, the another question will not appear. I have to select something. I have to give the answer. Then only it will appear. So I'm selecting a random answer. Then another question will appear. Then they will ask me another question. Then another question. Then at the end they will tell me thank you. So this is how the chatbot works. Is it easy or is it difficult?
Easy. Practice.
Yes, you have to. Then at the end, thank you. So this is how the chatbot appears. So did you understand how you are able to see such chatbots in all the very big websites?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. Now let's see, we have filled this chatbot. I have given my information over there. See, whenever you're creating contact form, chatbot or pop-ups, make sure you're taking the information from your audience. What kind of information? Contact form, phone number, email address. Make sure you always try to get these 2 things. Smartly, what I'm doing, I'm trying to take the information from them, even in the form of chatbot or contact form. In contact form, though, obviously I will take, but in chatbot also I'm trying to take that information so that I can contact them further and I can initiate them to join my course and everything. So smartly try to create the question. And if it is a chatbot, the best option is create multiple choice questions or direct questions. Direct questions in the sense, I'm asking them their email ID, I'm asking them their phone number. When I'm asking them their email ID, obviously they will not answer some random thing, right? They will not inquire about my course or they will not ask any random thing. They will obviously tell their email ID only. So either ask direct questions or create multiple choice of questions. Do not give the user a chance to write something which your chatbot will not understand. Now we have filled this form over here as a user. Let's see, where can I see the details of the user who has filled the chat. In case you want to see the results, just go to the results section in the dashboard of collect.chat. Under results, there is an option called responses. Results and then responses. You can see what exactly they are looking for. And you can see what they are. They are a working professional, they are looking for a job, this is their email ID, this is their phone number. So whatever we have asked, complete information you are able to gather it over here. And you can contact them further or you can send them an email, and that is how you have to initiate. This is how the chatbot works. Is it clear, Ravi, how a chatbot works?
Got it now.
Yeah. Now let's move on to another plugin, which is Popup. Have you seen Popup anytime? Many times pop-ups appear, right? Let's assume you have opened any website. The moment you open some website, here in center something will appear, like mostly for e-commerce websites and all, 20% discount or like 50% discount, something like that, or enter the email ID or enter the password. You might have seen pop-ups many times, but I'll show you how to create a pop-up. To create any pop-up, again, pop-up is also plugin. So obviously, you have to go to the plugins option and click on admin. Plugins and then click on admin. And here, search for a plugin called Popup by Subsystem. No spelling mistakes. Say all these are pop-up plugins only. But why am I going with Subsystem? Because it is little bit user friendly. Now, if you go to this is one of the plugins which I don't like at all. This is also not that great, but it's better you go with the plugins which are easy to use rather than a complicated plugin. So this is a plugin which I was talking about, Popup by Subsystem. Subsystem provides very good products, very good.
Okay, that is a very good company.
Yes, yes. It is user friendly, and most of the options of these plugins are free also. Otherwise, most of the plugins are not free. So Subsystem provides free options. So you can see Popup by Subsystem installation is done, activation is also done. Both the things are done. Now, if you know how to create a contact form, then you also know how to create a pop-up because both are somewhere similar to each other. Same thing. If you click on show all pop-ups, as of now, there is no pop-up in our website. So you can see that there is no pop-up. You need to create a new pop-up. How we have created a new form, in the same way, we need to create a new pop-up over here. All right. Just click on do not disturb me again. It always disturbs you. Just click on do not disturb. So show all pop-ups. You have no pop-ups for now. Create your own pop-up. So to create your new pop-up, same thing, the same process how we have done for contact form. Just click on add new pop-up. There it was add new form. Here it is add new pop-up. That's it. Then you have to select the templates. Again, n number of templates are available. Whichever template you would like to select according to your understanding, according to your preferences, just select any random template. Let's assume you want to select this template. Just select this template and you have to name this particular pop-up. How you name your menu, how you name your contact form. In the same way, you need to name your pop-up also. After selecting the template, then click on Save button. Done. Once you have selected the template and once you have given the name, you can, okay, let it load. You can see there is a something called design section. We will come back to the main part later. Let's go to the design part first because designing is very easy. Here again, you want to increase the width of the pop-up, you can increase. You want to change the color of the pop-up. See, background color, as of now, it is this color. You want to change the color, then you can change the color over here. You can change the text font. You can change the, see, as of now, the text is, a font is this. You can also change the text font. Then you can also give some, see, as of now, background color is there. You want to give some background image and you can also upload background image also. Image option is also there where you can upload background images. Then as of now, the into button is this thing they have selected by default. You want to choose any another into button, that is cross button, then you can select any another cross button also according to your understanding. So just editing is known as design part. And if you observe here, there is some random text. Obviously, you cannot keep the random text in your pop-up, right? It should be something which is relevant to your business, which tells about your business. If it is an e-commerce website where you are selling some products, then you can tell Christmas sale or 20% sale, New Year Christmas sale, like whatever you would like to show, you can just type that random text over here. How will you type that text? How can you change this text, the default text, and add your own text? To do that, you can see there is an option called text over here. Under designing part, only text option is there. So just click on text option over here. And whatever the text you are able to see it over here, the same text is appearing to you over here. Did you understand, Ravi? The text section, text part, design. Under design, there is something called text. And whatever the text you are able to see it over here, you can remove this text and you can add your own text. Did you understand?
Yes, got it.
Yeah. Just remove this. You want to keep it as bolds, italics, however you would like to adjust, just adjust it. Then the text will be completely changed. Then here some label is also there. That means here you can type your website name or your business name. Here you can just write it. Here you can see label, the same thing which you are able to see it over here. The same thing is appearing in the form of code. Just type your website name or something, then that name also will be changed. Once the designing part is done, please click on save button. Then go to the main section. By default, you will land into the main section itself, but it's better you design it prior, then go to the main part. Now, by default, what is appearing to us? When to show pop-up? When page loads. That means when someone is opening your website, when someone is opening the website, the moment the website loads, your pop-up is going to appear to them. See, the moment this website loads, pop-up has appeared. Now, did you understand pop-up? What is the meaning of pop-up? Generally, someone has opened the website and your pop-up appears.
Okay.
By default, this option has been selected. When page loads, someone is opening our website, and the moment they have opened the website, our pop-up is appearing to them. Now, do you think this is a good option? Someone has opened your website, and on their face, within seconds, you are showing the pop. Is it good or is it bad?
For e-commerce, I think it will be good.
Okay. When will you show the pop-up? You want to delay the pop-up for a few seconds and show, or no, when you want to show the pop-up the moment someone has opened your website? You just want to show it like that. Which one?
After a few seconds.
After a few seconds is a good option, right? Let them settle, let them give some breathing space for them, then only show the pop-up. If you're showing the pop-up,
If you show this, I think they will get into it. There's a business related.
yeah, just few seconds, just delay for 5 seconds at least, then show the pop-up, because they will see your website for at least 2 to 3 seconds, then you're showing the pop-up. It makes sense. Just like that, you're showing the pop-up, it's not good. So always delay the pop-up for seconds. And you can see this was the option which was selected by default. So I'm selecting this option called delay for 5 seconds over here. Then click on save. Click on save after each and every step. Then again, I'm going to open the website on a new tab. Then you can see, now the pop-up will not appear directly. Is it appearing directly? No. After 5 seconds, the pop-up will appear to our audience. This is good, right? Than the previous one. Then this was the option. Then there are so many options. Let us explore few options over here. Then there is one more option called user clicks on the page. That means unless and until your user has clicked on the page, pop-up will not appear. Let's assume your user is staying on your website for 10 minutes and is just scrolling but is not clicking anywhere. Then also pop-up will not appear. The moment someone has clicked on your website, then only pop-up will appear. So in case you want to show that particular option, just click on user clicks on the page. User clicks on the page. This is the option I have selected. Then again, I'm clicking on save option. Now let's see if this option is working or not. Again, open the website on a new tab and see. I'm not clicking anywhere. Even if I'm not clicking for 10 minutes, half an hour also pop-up will not appear. Now here I'm going to click, or anywhere you can click for that matter. I'm going to click randomly and the pop-up has appeared. That is the option which I have selected. User clicks on the page, then only pop-up should appear. Is it clear, Ravi?
Yes, clear.
Then there is one more option called when to close the pop-up. Obviously, when user has clicked on this button, pop-up will disappear. That is a default option which they have selected. There is one more option, click outside pop-up. Click outside pop-up. That means they need not click on cross button. Even if they are clicking outside the pop-up also, somewhere on your website randomly, there also if they are clicking, the pop-up is going to disappear. First thing, which options did we select? When user clicks on the page, pop-up should appear. When user is clicking outside of the pop-up also, pop-up should disappear. So appearing and disappearing. So I'm clicking over here and the pop-up has appeared. And I'm clicking over here and the pop-up has disappeared. Did you understand this part? Yes. When user is clicking outside the pop-up. Then here there are few pro options. For that you need to purchase a plugin, but it is not required. Then you can see whom to show the pop-up. Obviously, I want to show the pop-up to everyone. No, you want to show only first-time visitors. Someone who is visiting your website for first time, only to them you want to show the pop-up. Then you can only select this option called first-time visitors. Then there is one more option. Actually, both the options are similar to each other. There is one more option. Never ever select this option. This is like torturing your audience until user makes an action. That means your pop-up is appearing to your audience, and unless and until they give their information, the pop-up is not disappearing. Is it good option? Is it good? No,
it
right?
is not good.
They have to 100% give their information, then only they will be able to visit the website. Few of the e-commerce websites will be like that, but it is not good. It's like torturing your audience. Never ever do that. Never ever select that particular option. In
Correct.
case you select,
Sometimes whenever we are in busy getting the calls, unwanted calls, no, it is similar like same. Same system.
most of this customer care calls, right? Bank calls, no, yeah, it's like that only. Bajaj,
Correct.
yeah. So that is until user makes an action. Now, how many times in a day you want to show the pop-up? Now, let's assume there are frequent customers who visit your website every day. Every day, let's assume they're visiting the website 10 times and 10 times you are showing the pop-up to them. Obviously, they will not like it. I'm not talking about the customers who do not visit the website. I'm talking about someone who visits your website every day. So if you're showing the pop-up those many times also, it will not look good. So what you can do is you can select it over here 2 times in a day, 3 times in a day. How many times you want to show up your pop-up to a particular person, you can select it over here. So only those many times your pop-up is going to appear to that particular person. Now, for emergency websites like an ambulance website and all, where you're providing ambulance service, never ever install this plugin called Popup. You cannot choose such plugins in those kind of websites. Popup is useful in case you're selling something. More generally, pop-ups are used for e-commerce websites where,
Any offers, anything, any
yeah,
discounts.
like websites like Myntra and all these kind of websites, these things will be useful. But otherwise, for emergency websites and all, please do not use pop-up. That is about pop-up. Is it clear, Ravi, regarding the pop-up?
Yes, clear.
Now, let's go to one other plugin called Click to Chat. Click to Chat, in the sense you might have seen in some websites, directly WhatsApp icon will appear. The moment you click on WhatsApp icon, they can directly message.
I think in this you missed out the pop-up. Go back.
Where?
Go back. You typed no. The form, the Word document,
Okay.
class document. Yes, here.
Okay. Pop-up and also contact format.
Contact form.
Yeah. Done. Click to Chat is nothing but, you might have seen in many websites, right? If you open any service-oriented website and all, here WhatsApp icon appears. And the moment you click on WhatsApp icon, directly you can message them on their WhatsApp. Have you seen it somewhere, anywhere? Like same like this, the WhatsApp icon will appear. You click on it.
Did not get you. What is this exactly? Come again.
WhatsApp icon. WhatsApp icon. You have not seen WhatsApp icon in any of the website. You click on the WhatsApp
Yes,
icon.
icon I know.
Yeah. You click on that icon. Same like this, the WhatsApp symbol will appear on the website. And you click on that particular icon. You can directly message them on their WhatsApp. Direct message without even saving their phone number. Generally, if you want to message someone on WhatsApp, you need to first save their number. Then you have to message them, right? That is how the WhatsApp works. But over here, what you can do is, you can show the WhatsApp icon on your website. You have to obviously upload your phone number and everything in that particular plugin. Then when someone clicks on the WhatsApp symbol, they can directly message you on WhatsApp. So in case you want to make it easy for your audience where they can directly message you on WhatsApp and inquire about your course or about your service, whichever you're providing, then you can also show the WhatsApp on the website so that it will be easy for your audience. Not everybody will be filling the contact us form, no, Ravi. Not everybody has time to fill the contact form. Not everybody will be wasting the time on Chatbot. So instead, what you can do is you can just give the WhatsApp icon, then directly they'll message you on WhatsApp. It is much more easier, right, than these two things. Most of the people will be preferring that option also. So for that, again, you have to go into the plugins and click on Add New. And then search for a plugin called Click to Chat. Click to Chat is a plugin where you can install WhatsApp on your website. So just search for Click to Chat over here. And the moment you select Click to Chat, let's make your web page visitors contact you through WhatsApp. Instead of filling the contact form, instead of using the chat board, instead of calling you directly, they can directly message you on WhatsApp, which is much more easier than all the above things. So installation is done and activation is done. Out of all the plugins which we are learning, Click to Chat is one of the easiest plugins. I have installed the plugin, I have activated the plugin. Then click on Click to Chat over here. Just click on Click to Chat. And here, this is the interface. What you need to do over here is you have to mention your phone number. Obviously, then only people will be messaging you, right? So mention your phone number over here. Then you want to give some pre-filled message. Pre-filled message in the sense, you might have observed, you are messaging someone on WhatsApp and directly some message appears. You need not type the message. I want to inquire about the digital marketing course. If I write it over here, directly that message will go to them the moment I'm clicking on the WhatsApp icon. You need not waste your time in typing the message and everything. You want to give it, otherwise not required. It's an optional. It's not mandatory step. Directly you're only creating an answer for your audience. They need not type what exactly they are looking for. Directly, I'm looking for so and so. I'm looking for digital marketing course. Directly it will appear to them. If you want to create a pre-filled message, just type it over here, but it is optional. It's not mandatory. It's up to you. So I have added my WhatsApp number over here. This is the most important step. If you don't add WhatsApp number, nobody will be able to message. Very, very important. Then you can just scroll down over here. Here, position to place where you want to show the WhatsApp icon. You want to show at the bottom of your website or you want to show on the top of the website. Wherever you would like to show the WhatsApp icon, you can just select it. As of now, it is bottom right. That means over here, but we have Chatbot right already. So I'll select it as top right. So I'm just clicking on the top down and changing it to top right. So position to place over here, top right. Then display settings. Most of the people will use WhatsApp on their mobile phones itself, right? Do you think very few people, they will be opening in the laptop and everything also, but generally 90% of the audience use the WhatsApp on their mobile phones itself. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So here, you can just hide the WhatsApp icon on desktop. People will not be using WhatsApp on desktop, right? Then what is the point of showing the WhatsApp symbol to the desktop users? If someone is opening your website on a desktop or a laptop, your WhatsApp icon will not appear to them because they are not going to use the option, right? Anyways, they are not going to use the option. They will not open the WhatsApp icon in their laptop, then message you through that. So it's a hectic process. So you can just hide it. Only to the person who is using mobile phone and who has opened your website from mobile phone, only to that guy I want to show my WhatsApp. But as of now, I have to show it to you, right? So I'm selecting show. Otherwise, for your own website, your business website, please select the hide option. That is good. Then that's it. Click on save button. That's it. Your your click to chat is done. So what exactly we have done over here? We have just given our phone number. Then we have selected the position where to place our WhatsApp. Then we have selected a display options in case you want to show for mobile phone or desktop users. Generally hide for desktop, but as of now I want to show it to you, so I'm selecting it as show. Then let's go to the new tab, click on the refresh button, and your WhatsApp icon will be appearing. This is what I was talking about. And when someone clicks over here, directly your number only will appear to them. That means in case you have given your phone number, directly your phone number only will appear to them. And they will directly message you on WhatsApp. They need not save your phone number first, then only they can message. It's not required. Without saving your phone number also, they can message you directly. The moment they click on WhatsApp, your phone number will appear to them. That is how the WhatsApp works, which is easy. Filling the contact form is easy, or this is easy. This is not.
WhatsApp is very easy.
This is very easy. Directly clicking on one button and you're messaging them on WhatsApp. So this is just for user friendly. In case you want to use it, you can just use it. This is how the this thing.
Correct. I think this option was earlier. If I see like go back 2 years back, and all, it was not there. I think this is a recent, right? Pop-up.
Oh.
This is a click. It is there since very beginning.
Yeah, it was there.
Okay. See, I think I was going through a lot of website earlier.
Okay.
It was not appearing this WhatsApp icon. This chat option was there, but WhatsApp icon, I think I've not observed it. I think.
Okay. Not everybody will be using. No, only service-oriented websites will be using.
Service. Okay.
Yeah, someone providing some service, then only they will be using. Otherwise, they're not.
Okay.
So that is about this thing called click to chat. All right.
Yes.
Then there is one more plugin called live chat where a normal human being will be chatting with you. So you can just go to the plugins option. Sometimes these plugins will not be working, Ravi. So you need to just wait for some time. Then the problem will be resolved because Sometimes because most of the people are using the plugins and all these plugins will be crashing. So you should not worry. Otherwise, you can just go with any other plugin also, another company's plugin. But in case if it is not working, just be a little bit patient and try after some time in case it is not working. So let me search for a plugin called Live Chat. I think as of now, this is not working, but you can go with any other company's live chat also. See, I'm typing some spelling mistake and it's not appearing. Make sure you type correct spelling. So live chat by Subsystic, this is the plugin. Install the plugin and then activate the plugin. Let's see if this is working. If this is not working, then we will do any other another plugin tomorrow. Same live chat but different companies. But let me check. So live chat by Subsystic, I have installed the plugin and I have activated the plugin. Same like all the plugins. Then live chat by Subsystic and live chat dashboard. Both the things will appear for live chat. Both the things are going to appear. And the moment you have installed and activated live chat, you need not paste the code. All these things are not required. You go to the new tab and refresh, live chat will directly appear to your audience. You install and activate the plugin. The moment you have installed and activated the plugin, live chat is going to appear. For contact us form, if you want to show your contact us form, you have to paste the code. If you want to show the chatbot, you have to paste the code. Everywhere, code is there. But over here for live chat, no code. Directly, the moment you have installed and activated, it will appear in the dashboard and the plugin is also going to appear to your users over here. All right. Then you can also select the position where you would like to place the plugin. You want to design it, then go to the live chat by Subsystic option to design the plugin. Again, designing part, you need not spend lots of time over there. You can just explore it, but just changing the color, changing the font, changing the position where to place the plugin, that will be there in the designing part. So in case you want to design your live chat by Subsystic, click on live chat by Subsystic and you can design it. Chat position, bottom right. No, you want to place on the top left, then you can select top left, bottom left, wherever you would like to place it, you can select it. As of now, I'm going with bottom right itself. You want to increase the width, you can increase. You want to increase the chat bar padding. What is the meaning of chat bar padding? See, between these two sentences, there is little bit space only, right? In case you want to increase the space, just increase the number over here. Padding is nothing but increase of height. Height is nothing but padding. So this is the height of message box. Between this message and this message, this much space is there. Here they are talking about chat bar padding. Between two chats, that means between two sentences, how much space you want to give. So that is known as chat bar padding. Main theme color, it is blue. You want to change the color, you can change the color. Background color, you can change. Text color, you can change. As of now, it is black color. You can change the text color. You can also change the font. It is Arabic, I guess. Yeah. You can also change the font and everything. So designing part, anybody can do the designing part, nothing complicated. Once you have designed it, click on save button. Now, let's assume I'm the user of this website. I have visited your website. Then what I will be doing? I will click on let's chat over here. And the moment I click on let's chat, I need to enter my email ID and I should also enter my name. Email ID and then name. Then click on start chat over here. The moment you have given your information, you can see please wait while our operator will start the conversation. This will reflect to the person who is using your website. That means in case you are using the website, you can see that. In case someone else is using, even that guy will be able to see it. Where can you see the user information? That user information will be present in the live chat dashboard. It will be present in the live chat dashboard. What we are doing over here, we are installing the plugin, we are activating the plugin. The moment you have installed and activated, plugin is going to appear to your audience. In case you want to design it, go to the live chat Subsystic option and design it. When someone has filled the information over there, when someone has given their information over here, that information, that email ID and that name, you will be able to see it in the live chat dashboard. Is it clear, Ravi? In live chat dashboard, you can see the information of the user who has given their email ID and their name. Okay, so just click on live chat dashboard over here. I don't think it is working, but let's see. Okay. As of now, this plugin is under maintenance, I guess. It is not working, but generally how it appears is directly that person, whoever has filled the information over here, just now I have given my information, that information you will be able to see it over here. And the moment you click on their email ID, you can chat with them. A chat box appears and you can chat with them. And the same chat will appear to this person. Again, this person will chat over here. Again, that this guy will be able to see that message. Again, he will be able to reply back. Like how we message on WhatsApp and all. The same thing appears over here. But as of now, this plugin is not working, I guess. I had a doubt, right? Because in the last batch also, this plugin was not working. So do not worry about it. We will use any another company's plugin. There is a plugin called Talk, TAWK Talk plugin. That is also live chat plugin, but it is little bit complicated. It's not that complicated, but obviously when something is easy, you will go with the easiest option, right? That is the reason I want to see whether it is working or not. But we'll do it tomorrow. We will use this plugin called Talk, where same thing. This is also for live chat itself. Talk to live chat. This is
What
a
is
plugin.
TAWK?
TAWK, yeah, Talk. This is also for live chat. There are some thousands of plugins for everything, Ravi. There is no rule that you have to use only Subsystic. Most of the time, what happens is plugins will, they are going to crash because so many people are going to use that. Now, see, just now, live chat was not working, right? It's a beautiful plugin, but still, it's one of the easiest plugin in all the live chats. Live chat by Subsystic is easiest one. That is the reason I wanted to check in. But we are unable to see the user information, and I'm unable to chat with the user. So now, when you're not left with any another option, you have to go for another plugin, another company's plugin you have to use. So tomorrow we will use this Talk to Live Chat. You can see some how much? 2 lakhs installations are also there over here. That means it is one of the very famous plugins. Most of the people use this Talk to Live Chat plugin. In very big organizations and all also, this plugin will be really useful. But here, what you need to do is you have to create an account on their website first. You have to go to talk.to and then create the account over there. Then you have to install and activate the plugin over here. Then again, you have to log in over here. That's a little bit lengthy process. It's not that easy going process, but it will be easy, but little bit lengthy process. So we'll do it tomorrow. Live chat. Talk to live chat. We will use this plugin tomorrow and we will do it. So don't think only these are the plugins in the complete course. No. Every day you'll be learning a number of plugins, Elementor, all-in-one SEO, Yoast, like that. Throughout the course, there are so many plugins which we will be covering. So in case in future also, whenever you want something additional in your website, you have to just go to the plugin and search for that particular option. You want some translator. Now let's assume you want a translator where user can select any language. By default, our language is English, right? But in case you want user to select that you want user to translate it to French, you want user to translate into Hindi, then automatically you can go to the plugins option and use a plugin called Translate. And the moment you have installed and activated the plugin appears to your audience. And see, this is the plugin I was talking about. You install the plugin, you activate the plugin, and someone is choosing any language over here, then our English text is going to be translated to whichever language you have selected. So anything whichever you require in future, just go to the plugins and search for that particular option. Whatever it is, first go to the plugins and search. Because most of the answers will be there in plugins itself. For everything, plugins is the only answer. So do not ever forget the plugins. Plugins is a very, very important topic. And there are some thousands of plugins. So don't think only these are the few plugins, but there are so many plugins which we will be exploring throughout the course. All right, Ravi. So talk to live, we will do it tomorrow because live chat was Subsystic was not working. And then tomorrow we will also learn about blogging website.
Done. And one, what is
WP reset, Ravi? WP reset. Do you
W?
remember WP reset?
Okay. Yes, WP is hyphen admin.
No. WP reset. In case I want to delete my complete website and make it into a new website, I will go into tools option and then under tools WP reset. I think in the first class I have told you. Under tools WP reset, and you have to scroll down over here and you need to type reset, and click on reset site, reset WordPress, and your website will become a blank website. Do you remember this part?
Yes.
Reset part.
Yes.
WP Reset is also a plugin. All right. WP Reset is also a plugin. Did you understand?
Yes.
So what I have done is I have gone to the plugins, I have clicked on add new button, and I have searched for a plugin called WP Reset. The moment I have searched, I have installed and activated the plugin, WP Reset will appear under tools. It will not appear directly in the dashboard. See, it is already installed and activated. It will not appear directly in the dashboard, but it will appear under tools. So in your website also, I have installed and activated and given it to you. Because we have not yet covered plugins topic, right? I can't tell you to go to plugins and then install and activate. Then you will think what exactly plugin is. That is the reason I have installed and activated prior itself and then given it to you. Now, did you understand how did WP Reset come under tools? Because it is a plugin, we need to install and activate this plugin. Then only WP Reset will appear under tools. Otherwise, WP Reset is not going to appear under tools. Is it clear, Ravi?
Yes.
What exactly is WP Reset? So, in case you want to reset your website whenever you're purchasing your own domain and everything, don't think WP Reset will appear directly under tools. No, it is also a plugin which you need to install and activate. Then only it will be appearing under tools. All right. Now, in case you want to delete any plugin, just go to the plugins, just deactivate the plugin. You have to, now let's assume I want to delete this plugin called Click to Chat. I need to deactivate the plugin and then I have to delete the plugin. Both the things I need to do, deactivation and delete also. Why? Because we are installing and we are activating. Both we are doing, right? So first deactivate the plugin and delete the plugin. Then the plugin will be deleted and it will not appear in your website. So like that, there are so many plugins which you will be learning. All right.
Sure.
Yeah. That's it, Ravik. We'll meet tomorrow and we will continue with the blogging website. Please practice the plugins part. Blogs and all, it's not that important how to add the content. You will know how to add the content, but plugins is a very important topic. Try to create a contact form and come for tomorrow.